Once upon a time, in a quaint village surrounded by lush green fields and rolling hills, there lived a kind-hearted young girl named Emma. Emma had a best friend named Beto, who just so happened to be a small, gray donkey with the most soulful eyes. Emma and Beto's friendship was as unique as it was unbreakable. They had found each other during a time when both needed companionship. Emma, an orphan who lived with her grandmother, and Beto, a stray donkey with no family of his own. Their bond was strengthened over shared adventures and tender moments spent in the pastures. Every afternoon after school, Emma would rush home, change into her play clothes, and dart to the field where Beto would be waiting. Beto would be munching on grass or lazily napping under a tree. They would explore the meadows, Emma sometimes riding on Beto's back, or racing alongside him as they galloped through the open spaces. Despite the townsfolk's grumbles about Beto being a useless animal, Emma saw his hidden worth. The donkey may not have been strong enough to pull carts or fast enough to race, but he was a friend like no other, loyal and dependable. Emma always said that Beto listened when no one else would, and Beto seemed to sense Emma's every emotion, offering comfort in the form of gentle nudges or soft brays. One spring, a rumor began to spread across the village about a treasure hidden in the nearby woods. Children and adults alike ventured into the forest, hoping to become the lucky treasure finder. Emma's heart sparked with the thrill of adventure, and with Beto by her side, she set off daringly into the woods. The pair navigated through dense trees, along winding streams, and across fallen logs. Guided by the sounds of nature, Emma's determination was unwavering, not for riches, but for the joy of discovery, and Beto trotted confidently beside her, trusting in their shared journey. As twilight descended upon the forest, they stumbled upon an old stone well, covered in ivy and shrouded in mystery. Though the village's treasure hunt proved futile for others, Emma found something much more valuable. Emma found a place where she and Beto could dream and play without restraint. In their eyes, this secret spot in the woods was their treasure, enriching their bond and reinforcing that the riches of their friendship outweighed any gold or gems. From that day forward, the well became their special hideaway, a testament to the magic they had found in each other's company.